Just poured some alcohol into the fabric softener and you're gonna thank me. This is amazing. Folks, this is really amazing. So I combine half cup of fabric softener with half cup of alcohol. And now let's take this and put in a container. Then let's add one more cup of fabric softener, alright? Put in there. And now let's go ahead and add one more cup of alcohol. And folks, this mixture is actually very powerful. Only a few people know what it can do at our homes. And today, you're gonna learn it. So, put in here. Now add 1 cup of water too. About 200 milliliters of water. Put in here. And now just mix everything really well. Next, let's transfer all this mixture into a spray bottle, because this will make the application much easier. So let's take a funnel and pour the whole mixture in here. And now to finish, let's go ahead and add some cloves too, alright? You don't need too much. This amount here is good enough. This ingredient is going to play a crucial role. After adding the cloves, don't close the spray bottle just yet. Let this mixture sit there for about 1 hour, okay? So let it sit here and I'll be right back to show you guys the result. Alright folks, after the time's up, now you can go ahead and close the spray bottle. And now it's ready. But what did we just make? This mixture is an awesome homemade air freshener. That's right. You can spray this product on different stuff around the house, such as curtains, the sofa, beddings, and carpets. And you have no idea how amazing this will make your house smell. And that's not all. Thanks to the cloves, it's gonna also help repel insects. Cloves have a really nice smell too, but its main job is to keep insects away, especially mosquitoes. Got it? So there you have it. If you're used to buying air fresheners, you won't need them anymore. Give this a try at home. Your house is gonna smell incredibly good.